Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some brown butter syrup. I did a video months ago putting brown butter inside of my iced coffee. Now I think that would have worked for hot coffee, however I don't drink hot coffee like that. So cold coffee, once you gotta see that video, but if you did see the video you know. So I was like, I wonder if it'll work if I make it like a little syrup. So that's what I'm gonna do, yeah. So I have my oven on medium. I have a stick of butter. This is salted butter. However, if you have unsalted, just add a little salt. Wait till they get brown. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. It's still, melted. It's not brown yet. It's popping a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is just mix it a little bit. Alright, just let it keep getting brown. Okay, it's been like another 2 minutes. You see like the right here is getting brown. All I'm gonna do is move it over a little bit more. So this part can get brown as well, see? It's brown for the most part, but not all of it. I'm probably gonna keep this in for like about 45 seconds to a minute. You don't wanna burn it. It smells so good. Alright, it's been about 45 seconds. I'm gonna turn it off. But what I'm gonna do is put like a cup of water in here and stir it. Yeah, I gotta take it off the stove because I don't want it to continue to cook. And just stir that in there. I know some people put like brown sugar and stuff. No, I just want the taste of this brown butter. And then once I make my coffee, my iced coffee and everything, iced latte, then I'll add the sugar to that. But the butter, keep it as is, y'all. Brown butter ain't sweet unless you add it to something. And like I said, that brown, if you watch my channel, that brown butter emulsion that I got, it smells good, but it smells like cookie dough. They don't really give brown butter. Like it'll be good to go in like desserts that call for like brown butter or, things like that, but it don't really necessarily smell or even taste like it. I'm gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna transfer it. Okay, it'll cool down. I want all of this. Scrape all this out of here. All these little bits. Every crumb. She left no crumbs? Okay. I'm not gonna leave no bits, no crumbs in here. And ain't. Alright, I'm gonna put the lid on here and put it in the refrigerator. Shake it a little bit. And then in a few hours, I'm gonna take it out to see if it solidified. I'll get back to y'all, Lord's will. So this is about 4 hours later, and it's like the top solidified. Kind of like you already knew. This part, this is mainly the water, and it did solidify. So what I'm gonna do is strain it so I can get this part, and I'm not gonna throw this away because I'm gonna use this for something else. Lord's will. I'm gonna taste it, see if we got that brown butter taste. And then I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator to see if it solidified a little bit more. Put a little hole so it can be easier. So see how this butter got clumped up? There's a tiny bit left in there. But really, I'm gonna use this for a recipe as well. Believe that. Alright, shake it. Like I said, do not discard this butter. You can use this for another recipe. Alright, this is the liquid. I'm putting here. Put this back in the refrigerator, but before I do, I'm gonna taste a little bit and see if it got that taste to it, that brown butter taste. Yes. And it smells like it. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm gonna put the top of it back on it, and I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator for a few more hours to see if it solidified anymore. You don't did something here.
Many unbearable hours later.
Hey everybody, I'm back in his house. No, I've been in the house, but I can't get to this when I, was supposed to. So yeah, this is about a day or so later. I'm going and got my strainer and strain it again. Okay, yeah. It's a good thing I did strain it. You see, like this little gook, and I'm gonna keep that for a recipe. Believe that.
A few moments later.
I don't know where my straw at, but the job gotta get done. It is.